Queens and Kings, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I spring clean. This will be a 4-part series where I'm showing you how I clean my kitchen, living room and dining room, my den, bedroom, and I'll also be showing you how I clean up under my sink and organize it. So I hope I inspire you to get up and get cleaning. So as you all know, we are facing some difficult times right now. So I'm praying that you and your family are doing well. As you all know, I am an educator, and we haven't been back to school because they decided to go ahead and close school for the remainder of the year. So right now we are implementing distance learning, which has presented itself to be a challenge for both the students as well as the teachers. But we will get through it. So I'm praying that this too shall pass so that we can get back to our normal life and reconnect with our family and friends. So let's go ahead and hop into this video. So the first thing that I like to do is go through my mail because I tend to accumulate a lot of junk mail, and I don't necessarily read my mail each and every day unless it's of importance. So I normally designate a particular day to read all my mail, and that's normally on Fridays. But this is something that I do every single week. So now I'm going to tackle the oven. And guys, it is horrible, so do not judge me. I've had several explosions in this oven. So this is a self-cleaning oven. I'm going to set it to self-clean and put it on heavy duty, and it's going to clean itself for at least 4 hours. So while the oven is finishing the cleaning process, I'm going to go ahead and start on the refrigerator. So what I like to do is go in and throw away any products that we haven't ate or any products that have already expired. I finished cleaning out the refrigerator, and now I'm moving on to the microwave. So the microwave is something that I do clean very often, but you still get those spills and splats coming from your food. And we even have a cover to put over our food, and it still somehow gets dirty. I'm going to take a butter knife and use it to clean in between the sides of the stove. going to remove the knobs from the stove and allow them to soak in some soap and water to remove the excess grease buildup. Now I'm going to start wiping down my cabinets, countertops, walls. And I don't use a lot of different products, but one product I do use all the time is my Clorox disinfectant spray. It works very well on all surfaces. Glass top cleaner and protection. And I'm also going to clean my stainless steel with Weiman's. So the knobs from my stove has had some time to soak. I used the Mr. Clean erase pad to remove all the grease from them, and I'm just going to currently put those back on. So if you find that your knobs won't come clean, see where they come off, soak them in some soap and water for about 30 minutes, use the Mr. Clean erase pad, and you'll be good to go. Okay, now I'm ready to start cleaning the other side of the kitchen. I'll be wiping down my countertops, cabinets, cleaning outside the sink, wiping down my windowsill, and I'll also be using the Weiman stainless steel cleaner to wipe down my refrigerator, dishwasher, bread box, as well as the garbage can. Lastly, I will be wiping down the walls, shining and cleaning the table, and also cleaning out the windowsill.